It's going down. We have a ship party today, a virtual live streaming right on YouTube, July 21st, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going down today. I'm excited about this. I wonder if there's going to be some really cool announcements or some things that we need to know going forward. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Go ahead and hit that bell when I do videos just like this. Ship party today. And so when I was looking around and getting some information about the upcoming party, I noticed that the actually price is going up 11.54% of the day. That is good news for the ship army and ship holders, because that means things are going up in a positive direction. And then when I looked at this, I checked out what's going on in the Shiba swap. So I always look at my claim my reward section in the Wolfing area, and I advise you do that as well if you're digging in Wolfing. Just check this and make sure things are happening the way it's supposed to. And right now, things are happening the way they're supposed to. So I have a pairing here that's collecting rewards. I'm getting ready to wolf this probably tomorrow. So I definitely check this out as well. But this video is all about the ship party. We have this, it's going down. I'm hoping this is going to be something that everybody can really enjoy. You know what? The market's been up and down these last few weeks, but it seems like the ship army is still there, excited and ready to go. I think what's happening is that even though the market is down, you're still getting rewards. That's what I'm thinking. The market is down, but I'm still claiming rewards. I know there's other swaps and other things you can do to still claim rewards, but man, it's something about the Shiba swap that I really like, because I claim rewards, and there's other things that's coming up the pipeline, and I'm hoping this, maybe some little announcements or maybe some little clues that's coming up the pipeline that we all need to know. So that's the big announcement today, July 21st, which is today, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The ship party live streaming on YouTube. Shout out to Satoshi for posting this information. I appreciate you. The whole ship army appreciate you. I can't excited. I'll be watching, and also I'll do a review of what I think of this party. So I'm gonna do a review right after this actually ship party, and so you definitely don't want to miss that video. And I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait. Let's go ahead and have a good time in the live streaming. We got a ship party. I'll see you on the next video.